Equipment deals. It's March 19th, 2025. We're here in Lufkin, Texas. We got a Cat 248B high flow XPS unit. Runs, starts up and runs, but we cannot get the parking brake off. So it will not go forward or backwards. We also can't get the lift arms to work. I think there's a switch inside that's not wired correctly or something like that. And we can't get the thing to work. But we'll do a quick little preview video of it. Again, it's a XPS high flow. The cylinders aren't leaking. Again, high flow assembly here. Tires are about 20-30%, if that. It runs good. Exhaust is rattling. That's making the noise. Nice clean oil. No blow by. Also, no moisture either. Go ahead and hop in here and show you how we can't get it to work. So that should be the parking brakes turn off. We do it, nothing happens. I think it's probably just a wiring issue. But we can't get the joysticks to come engaged or do anything. Throttle engages. But it doesn't run 100% clean when you engage the throttle all the way. Anyways, if you're interested in this unit, please give us a call. It's located here in Lufkin, Texas, 972-666-9501. Here's also the plate as well. If you have any questions, please give us a call. You can also watch the video or look at the description online. Thank you.